Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday. It's February 5th. This is just an abrupt vlog, guys, because I wanted to document my journey on this around 12 midnight kanina while I'm watching my online courses about VA, because I'm upskilling, guys, kahit I am already a VA na. I received an email from Kasama Connect, which is it's a Filipino VA platform where they helped Filipino VAs get their direct clients, which almost the same on the company who helped me get my direct client as well. And they invited me for a podcast, so I will be guesting on February 9 around 1 or 2 p.m. So I don't know. Maybe I'll upload this one after, but I just wanted to document my journey. And the topic is about how to raise your rates with a client, something like that. But yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, last week I was invited for a podcast with Kasama Connect, and today's the day, which is Monday, February 9th. They said it's around 1 to 2 p.m., but right now it's already 1, and I was really like expecting a link. It's 1:23 already, and there's actually a live going on, but I think it's recorded. So maybe they're preparing. Kasi they told me it's 2 p.m. naman. So, baka mga 2 p.m. And pinalabas ko muna yung aking mga kids. Kasi lalo-lalo na yung aking nephew kasi sobrang ingay niya. And baka magkagulo na. So yeah, right now, this is what my station looks like. Ayan siya. Dito ako nanonood ng live, and maybe I'm gonna join Zoom sa aking lappy. So grabe, aking eye bags. I actually had a migraine earlier. Buti nawala siya, guys. As hindi ako makakain gana kasi kinakabahan ako. Ito yung bigla ako nag-share ng 3 p.m. last Friday. Sa intro ko, maybe you will see it. Kasi na-excite ako na kinakabahan and I don't know what to do. This is my first time. Hindi sana ako tutuloy kasi para akong kinakabahan. But my sister and my friend told me that this would be an opportunity for me na mag-grow yung aking Facebook page, and I hope you will follow it, VA Princess Diane, and also my YouTube channel. I'm gonna share some tips on how I became a virtual assistant from working in the BPO industry for 13 years. And yeah, maybe I'm gonna share what would happen after this one and ano yung mga naramdaman ko. And by sharing the ads, guys, ang daming message sa akin kung paano mag-start ng virtual assistant and whatnot. So I'm gonna share some tips about it as well. But mind you, guys, hindi ibig sabihin na virtual assistant ako is kaya nyo na mag-apply agad-agad. So it's a long journey, guys. It's actually, it took me like 2 years to prepare. Not really 2 years kasi since 2019 pa nga. But yeah, I'm gonna share that details soon, guys. So for now, dito muna ako sa aking podcast, and I don't have an idea what are the questions and all, and I feel like it's an interview for me. Para siya interview kasi syempre baka tanungin ako tapos biglang hindi ko alam, di ba? So yeah, see you later, alligator. Here it is, guys. Naka-join ako sa Zoom. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I don't know Nakalive pa sila. So, yeah.
The trust and credibility for the community. Wait till I get some of these MIT guys on. Also, I asked. We did. Her name is Princess Diane or something like that. Princess Diane, yeah. But you know, if she gets on, she gets on. If she does not, it's quite all right. But I want to share with everybody what happened last week. So I got a whistleblow from agents that were, I guess, scammed by headhunters. Okay, headhunters is another agency. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna blast his ass right here live. So they're Irish. Okay, the CEO
what?
is
like from Ireland.
Ireland, like Ireland. All right.
Ireland. Okay.
So somebody sent me a bunch of email feeds from. It's. I still have it. Yeah, it's actually still in the Facebook group and in the subscribers group. So a whistleblower sent me a bunch of emails, basically, actually like 6 agents. It's like toxic communication. Nope, did not pay. I mean, it's the same old story.
Right.
Made them do work, didn't pay them. And then they were even still trying to extract money from the agent's Wise account, even if there's no money in it. So if this Filipino puts money into their Wise account, it'll be extracted. So,
what?
Yeah. So I have evidence of all that. I did a full digital forensics analysis of the website. And of course, these douchebags that make these websites do not know how to make this shit compliant. All right. It was extremely easy to find the 15 flags in their website. Okay. I produced the AI-led for digital forensics speed. And by the way, digital forensics led by AI has been going, that is an...
Hey guys, welcome back. And today is February 10th and it's 2:18 in the morning. So this vlog is all about the podcast that I had with Kasama Connect guys. And I actually uploaded 2 sneak peek about it kasi nga na-excite ako. So I just wanted to thank Kasama Connect for having me there. It was an honor to be part of, you know, something that they're trying to build, because they're trying to build an application, guys, where most of Filipino VAs can definitely use it in terms of, you know, getting some clients in our VA world. Mr. Alistair Mercado gifted me my own app. It's Kasama Connect app, guys, and they posted a mock-up or like a sample that you can also visit. I actually pinned it on my Facebook page, guys, and so I'm gonna post this on my Facebook page. So yeah, it's pinned, so you can visit there. There's a link, it's a screenshot, tapos merong link na nakalagay sa caption, so you can just go ahead and click that link. It will direct you to the app that they created for me. And that app, guys, yung design ng app na yon is actually based on my personality kasi he asked for my website, so my website was my portfolio and the colors and everything, it's me. So yung color na nandun, guys, is based on the portfolio that I created. Yun nga po, ulit-ulit ako pa. And I am really proud of myself kahit feeling ko napakapangit ko dun sa video na yon, kasi kahit kinabahan ako, na itawid ko pa rin siya, and may mga questions dun na, of course, yung question na yun, guys, hindi ko talaga alam. So they just provided me a topic about it, and medyo nakarelate din ako ng konti. Siguro kaya ako yung in-invite nila dahil nakaka-relate ako dun about, you know, how do you ask how do you raise rates to your clients? Kasi I really started below $5, $2.50 to be exact. And right now, of course, times 2 na siya, diba? Or more. So, that experience is a breakthrough for me kasi siguro in the future, if I'm gonna have another podcast, hindi na ako mahihiya. Diba? Parang, parang nabuksan yung aking ano kasi last year, wala akong gana talaga sa lahat-lahat because I was experiencing anxiety and panic attacks, and I was really depressed because of, you know, of things that happened to me. And also, may mga colleague din ako na a bit of a toxic. Yeah, hindi naman yun mawawala, guys. Even now, but I chose to ignore. I chose to cut ties, and I chose to be optimistic this year because, you know, this is my era, and I am year of the horse. So, ngayon, it's fire horse, diba? So, it's my year. Year nating lahat to, guys. But, yeah. Anyway, also, I'm gonna create a vlog because nung pinost ko yung ads na yon, a lot of my friends, my old friends, nag-message sa akin na they wanted to apply in the VA world. And let's accept the fact that not all of us can enter in the VA world right away. So you have to invest. You have to invest time, you have to invest your equipment, you have to invest your skills before you can go there. Hindi siya yung ulad sa call center. Well, nung nag-apply ako sa call center, guys, I actually practiced for a month paano sumagot ng interview, paano yung pag-type na paano maging mabilis kasi it's part of their assessment. Pero if you will compare it to the VA world, it's different. Mas maganda kapag ma-experience ka sa VA, ay sa PPO, and then you will jump to the VA world. Yeah. So, I'm gonna create a video for that, but for now, this is all about the podcast and my experience. I'm really grateful. I'm really happy, and hopefully, it won't be my first and last. Hopefully, it will be my first, and then next would be a live podcast. Well, live naman siya, remotely nga lang, diba? Like, I mean, live ba na ako, i-invite ako sa place na yun, like, mag-vlog na physical or whatnot. But anyway, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in sa lahat ng nanood doon. Thank you so much, so much. I really appreciate it, and I hope you will follow my page, guys, because I'm gonna post some hiring for aspiring VAs, guys, and some na may mga experience kasi the offer is for beginners, not for tenured, okay? So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow on the Facebook and YouTube. I'm gonna upload it on my YouTube. Thanks. Bye.